All right, today is Friday, guys. Everybody, great job this week. Today we're going to do some review because we're just about done with addition. We're going to start subtraction next week. So what we're going to do is I'm going to try to trick you guys a little bit, okay? So let's start part to whole. I'm going to give you number bonds, okay? They're already on your paper. You should have already picked it up. Maybe a 1 and a 3 down here. But we're missing a number. So we need to figure out 1 and what make 3. If you want to draw it, you could. So you could maybe draw like a square and maybe even 3 squares down here. Okay, so if you have 1 square up there, then you have to have 2 squares in the other. And 1 and 2 equal 3. So your job is to fill in whichever spot of the number bond I tried to take away from you. Now, I could also do, you're going to have a few different ones, so because I really want you to get that practice in. So then I'm going to try to trick you some more. And maybe I give you the number 4. But I don't tell you how it's split up. I want you to figure out, how are you going to split up 4? Okay, you can kind of make up your own story. So maybe my friend had 3 cats, and her dad got her 1 dog. Okay, do 3 and 1 make 4? 3 and 1, they do make 4, so that works. Then what you're also going to do is you're also going to work with number sentences, because we have worked with number bonds and number sentences. So some of them you'll have to do both, okay? But let's start maybe saying 2 plus what equals 2. Gosh, if I have 2 and I add something to it and I still get 2, I must add what? If I add 1, that would give me 3. So I must have to add 0, okay? And then after you do all your number bonds and all your number sentence work, you are actually going to do both. So I'm going to give you some kind of number bond. It could be either way. Sometimes they're sideways, but today I just want to focus this way and then your part to whole way. So if I give you, let's get a really tricky one, 6, and I say 4's over here. 4 and what equals 6? Well, if we have 4 and we do 1, 2, then we get 6. So we know it's 2. You may draw pictures if you would like, if that would be helpful. All right. And then we need to put a number sentence. So this is whole to part. So if it's whole, we have to start with 6. 6 equals, and then what 2 numbers add together to get 6 that we put? We put 4 and 2. So we will put 4 plus 2. Please remember to put your signs in there. So I put 6 equals 4 plus 2. Some of you are forgetting to do the sign, and then it just looks like a whole bunch of numbers. So please remember to do that. I know that's a lot. So you're going to do number bonds, fill in the missing numbers in the number bonds. You will also fill in some missing numbers from equations, and then you're going to do number bonds and equations. I know it sounds like a lot, but you guys have done such a good job. I want you to do some review. And remember that there's always extra practice. If you really want to do some more, I do have some extra practice. And then I also have a little quiz that I'm going to have you do, okay? So it's right underneath this video, and you have to type in your name. Remember, that's something that we've been practicing. You're going to type in your name, and then you're going to answer those questions, and then that is what's going to get to me, all right? So good luck. You guys are going to do such a great job.